Choosing the right windows for your home means finding a style that can handle changing weather conditions while maintaining comfort and performance. In Crestview, where homeowners experience a mix of warm temperatures, humidity, rain, and occasional storms, awning windows stand out as a reliable and versatile option. Their unique design and practical features make them well-suited for adapting to the area's shifting climate. One of the most notable advantages of awning windows is how well they perform during rainy conditions. These windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a protective angle that helps keep rain out. Even when the window is open, the glass acts as a shield, allowing fresh air to enter while directing water away. In Crestview, where sudden rain showers are common, this design allows homeowners to maintain ventilation without worrying about water entering the home. Ventilation is a key factor in comfort, especially in a humid climate. Awning windows provide consistent airflow, helping reduce indoor moisture and prevent stuffiness. By allowing fresh air to circulate, they help maintain a more balanced indoor environment. This is particularly beneficial in areas like kitchens and bathrooms, where humidity tends to build up quickly. Being able to keep windows open during light rain adds to their practicality and everyday usefulness. When it comes to energy efficiency, awning windows also perform well in Crestview's changing conditions. When closed, the sash presses tightly against the frame, creating a strong seal that prevents air leaks. This helps keep cool air inside during warmer months and maintains a stable indoor temperature. As a result, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, which can lead to improved efficiency and lower energy costs over time. Durability is another important factor to consider. Awning windows are built with materials such as vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass, all of which are designed to withstand exposure to moisture and temperature changes. In Crestview's climate, where windows may face both heat and rain, having a durable option ensures long-term performance. These materials resist warping, cracking, and corrosion, allowing your windows to maintain their function and appearance for years. Awning windows also perform well in windy conditions. Because of their outward opening design, they tend to remain stable when closed, and their secure locking systems help keep them firmly in place. Proper installation further enhances their ability to handle weather-related stress, ensuring they remain a dependable part of your home's exterior. Another advantage is their versatility in placement. Awning windows can be installed higher on walls to provide ventilation and natural light while maintaining privacy. They also pair well with other window styles, such as picture windows, allowing homeowners to create a customized design that balances airflow and visibility. This flexibility makes them a practical choice for a variety of rooms and layouts. Maintenance is relatively simple, which adds to their appeal. Regular cleaning and occasional checks of the seals and hardware are usually enough to keep them in good condition. Because they are designed to resist weather-related wear, they require less upkeep compared to some other window styles. This makes them a convenient option for busy homeowners. Noise reduction is another benefit that contributes to indoor comfort. When closed, awning windows create a tight seal that helps block outside noise. Whether it's rain, wind, or everyday outdoor activity, this feature helps create a quieter and more relaxing living environment. In addition to their functional benefits, awning windows offer a clean, modern look that complements many home styles in Crestview. Their simple design blends well with both traditional and contemporary homes, enhancing overall curb appeal while providing reliable performance. In the end, awning windows are a smart choice for handling Crestview's changing weather conditions. Their ability to provide ventilation during rain, maintain strong seals, and withstand varying climates makes them a dependable and practical option. By upgrading to awning windows, homeowners can enjoy improved comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind throughout the year.